good evening, Mr. X's class. We're here to talk about, let's see, that is incorrect. That's for a word family, sorry. So specify is a verb, and it means to state something. That means to state means to say something. Especially by giving an exact measurement, time, exact instructions, etc. So to say something exactly, very exactly, specify. So specify the time that the NWEA test starts. It's at 10 a.m. So it's not at 10:30, it's at 10 a.m., right, for you guys. So say it exactly, the exact time. Exact measurement. Specify the length of this hole punch. You can measure it exactly. Not approximately, exactly. You say exactly. Exact measurement, exact time, exact instructions. So, and here's a sentence talking about an essay. When you cite a source in an essay, cite a source, C-I-T-E, means, that's actually another word, vocab word. I can't remember which quarter, but it means when you give credit, when you say, if you're copying a quotation, you say where it came from. Remember, when you write an essay, you can't just copy something without saying where it came from. If you do that, that's plagiarism. You get a 0 on the essay in this school. And in college, it's even sometimes you could have even more consequences. You could get kicked out of school. So a very serious thing. So you have to cite your sources. It's fine, it's good to copy and to support your argument. You can copy from especially like experts or works of literature that support your argument, but you always must say where the information comes from very clearly. So you must specify exactly where you found the information. So not like, you couldn't say, you copy something and you say, internet. I found it on the internet. That's not a good citation. You didn't specify. That's too general. You need to say exactly which web page on what day that you searched it. Then it's okay, then we know. And then the reader can go and find the same information. So in Spanish, specificar, does that have an E in Spanish?
Yes.
I think it does, okay. Is there an E on your card or not?
No, it's not. Okay.
Just my guess, I'm thinking that should have an E in Spanish. So is that a mistake on your card?
Yeah,
you guys, okay, so you can add the E. Add the E. It's the opposite. Spanish speakers make the opposite mistake in English. We made a mistake making the card. We took the E off. Okay, so here's a sentence. Good instructions specify exactly what the reader should do. They say exactly. Good instructions. Let's say a test taker, that's better. Reader's not necessarily following instructions. The person, I guess I thought the person reading the instructions, but the good instructions on a test specify exactly what a test taker should do. Let's say that. They're exact. Okay, word families. Specific. What is the part of speech of that? Adjective, yes. Specific means if you specify something exactly, then specific is an adjective that means exact. Okay, opposite of specific, we have two words that mean the same thing. Unspecific, non-specific are both opposites. No. They both say not specific. So, like vague. Vague is another opposite of specific. Vague, general, non-specific. How about this one? Specifiable. What's the part of speech of that?
Adjective.
Adjective. What does it mean? What does able mean?
Able to.
Able to. Specifiable means able to be specified. You can specify it. So we could say, this information is specifiable. I can say it exactly. But maybe we could say, I don't know, the size of the universe might be unspecifiable. Scientists are trying to figure it out, but they can never find it for sure because it's so big. Something like that. How about this? Specified and unspecified. What do you think those parts of speech are? Adjective. So we can sometimes have, so specified is also, it's the past tense verb. But if it's in a word family column, that's because it can also be an adjective. And it's an adjective describing something. So we can say the specified information, for example. The specified information is on this paper. And then specified is describing the information. and it's saying that the information that we gave the details about. Where is it? It's on this paper. So those are adjectives. What does un mean? Not. No. Yep. Okay, synonyms designate, identify, indicate, or point out. And when I was doing this last Friday, I started writing antonyms for the adjective. But there aren't any adjectives for the oh, did I put noun up here? I'm crazy. Okay. Verb. You guys have verb on your card, right? Okay, I was tired last Friday. Sorry, everyone. It is a verb. It is a verb. And these are the synonyms for the verb. There are no antonyms, okay? So that is now all correct. You're just adding the E here. No antonyms. That should be a verb. Apologies to everybody. Do you have any questions? No? Okay. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.